As a mom, what are the things you cannot live without when you go out with your little one? With growing a child, it is very important to have a bag that can fill all the essential. Mamas, check out this Yugo bag. It can hold all of it. Yes, all of the things my little ones need for our gala is in here. Going out with your baby or toddler using this Yugo bag is going to be your best assistant. I definitely recommend this to all mamas, especially to all new moms. Get yours now. Get the same item as Star Diane Medina, available in Yubo, Shopee, and Lazada flagship stores, and of course, TikTok shop.